Alright, so I am going to be reading poems as part of my cycling. This is an attempt to know and learn more about Manipuri literature, poems by authors from Manipur. So this is a book I got as a gift from Baba Jodha. This was one of the last book he gave before he passed away. As you can see, it is signed by him, and these are translated in English, originally written by ShriBiren, translated by Jodha Chandra Sanasam. So the part 1 is Tollaba Sha, dugee, wakhal. What the poor animal thinks, in the cage, dark and narrow, with hands and feet all tethered, sits the poor animal alone and thinks, life is a cruel joke, severe, because why did the rat emerge in the midst of the thick crowd of Awang Dukan, with cars, motorbikes, trucks, bicycles, rickshaws, bustling and jostling, where the shoes, hope, nails even could not endure. Why did the rat scamper out at all, scurrying out from one side of the road it couldn't cross, nor could it retreat? Its head reeled all around the way it suffered. What a joke! Why such a cruel joke? Why did the hard, jagged, large teeth of the wheel of the huge, ugly truck, heavy and fully loaded, crush the rat, bursting out with a popping sound? Who gave such a grave, severe penalty to the poor creature? Its little eyes at that time, oh, what a pity, what a horror. But then, life cannot be believed, cause why did the flower without a name stand out blossoming with its tender petals from the concrete wall of cement and stone chips? Who is going to believe this? And on that night, why did that quiet girl strip off all her clothing, whatever she had on, for just a single word? I say, what I say is beautiful. You say what you say is beautiful. Beauty is what one fantasizes. Ugliness is what one fantasizes. The room gets darkened further. There is silence, no voice, no sound. The iron fetter gets tightened. The loneliness grows thicker, and the thinking goes on. Life is a mistake, cause why did that kite drop me here? It could have asked at least if I like this place or not. Why did it drop me here without asking me anything about it? I say I am right. You say you are right. Right is what one imagines. Wrong is what one imagines. Life's value are fixed with what one imagines. There is no fixed value in it. Truth has nothing fixed, nothing definite. Why is that? Why did the kite drop me here at this place? Awang Dukan, the old Manipuri name of the northern stretch of the Paramban shops. ShriBiren's poem, Tollaba Sha, dugee, wakhal. This was written in April 10, 1970. This was before I was born. He wrote this poem over here. So that's poem number 1. Keep tuning in. Let me know which poem you like about, which poem written by Manipuri author you like, and share with me. Thank you. And right now I am in Washington DC, and I was cycling and I just stopped for a break. Thank you. Bye-bye.